what's up, funnel builders? Right, so welcome to this video, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you some real tactical ways on getting your next funnel client. I don't care if you're building funnels for a long time, I don't care if you're a newbie, but if you are in need of clients, if you're looking to get more clients, if you want to get more clients and you don't know where to find them, if you can't get clients from Facebook groups, from LinkedIn, from Instagram, from YouTube, and you need help, this video is for you because I'm gonna show you the real ways on getting your funnel client. Okay, and this is not like the social media thing that you see every day, that you go to Facebook groups, you add value, you post stuff and things like that. Well, this is different. Okay, I'm gonna show you some strategies on how and where you can find potential clients, and like what I've mentioned before, I'm gonna show you where you can get access to the list of Clickfunnels users, which are potential clients. Okay, all right, so first way is this one, right? Google search operators. This is actually a gold mine of Clickfunnels users. If you do this right and really smart, you can get tons of paying customers. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna use this search term. So we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna type site.clickfunnels.com space your niche. All right, let's say you're into fitness, so let's say fitness. So let's go to fitness. So these are the results. So let's check out the results here, guys. So what you need to do is just open them up, open them on a new tab, and let's check them out. Okay, this is the first one. As you can see, if you're a funnel designer, if you're into like the design stuff, well, there are a lot of opportunities, as you can see on this page. You can definitely redesign it. Get in touch with the owner and offer your design services. The other one, same thing. You could actually offer your redesign services to this one. But I'm not totally sure this one is on Clickfunnels. But let's skip that for now. Alright, so this one. Super clean, super simple page. Yes, you can offer your redesign services for this one as well. So how can you get in touch with these people? So there are a couple of ways you can do that. Most of them has like contact information. As you can see, this URL is definitely not the URL that they're using because it has that clickfunnels.com URL. So what you can do is, let's find out Dream Body Fitness. You can Google that, Dream Body Fitness, let's say .com. Let's see if we can pull up something. Dream Body Fitness. Okay, let's check that out. Dream Body Fitness. It's Dream Body Fitness, right? So yeah, Dream Body Fitness. But there's actually like a button in here. Connect on Facebook, join our newsletter. Let's click that link. Is this? It's the same logo. No, not this one. All right, so we're able to pull up their Facebook. Well, we can get in touch with them through Facebook. And another thing is that you can connect on Instagram or join their newsletter and see if they'll provide. Oh, this is their website. See, you just need to like dig deeper. Okay, that's interesting. It's the same page, guys, same page, but different URL. Notice the URL here, it includes clickfunnels.com, but this one it doesn't. Like, this is the real URL that they're using. Um, Interesting, because they don't have any pixels in here. That's one of the things that you can tell them. Like, hey, I noticed that you don't have any pixels installed. Do you know how important pixels are? You can retarget, blah, blah, blah. Tell them the importance of having a pixel. Okay, so that's one thing. So let's take a look at the other one that we're able to pull up. So, all right, so this website, same thing, because they're using the same .clickfunnels.com, meaning this is not the real URL, but there's a lot of ways we can do that. Again, look for some contact information. You can actually search for firstforfitness.com. Probably that's their website or something. Here's an email that you can try. You can send them an email. Say something like, hey, I've gone through your website, it looks really nice, and things and that. I've actually developed a way on how you can attract more, leads and stuff like that. You can do your thing, but this is the actual way on how you can get more clients. All right. It will take time, of course, but you can spend like an hour or two doing this. Like, let's say you're into fitness, and now um, let's say you're working with coaches. So, all right. So there are a lot of samples in here. Again, you can do the same thing, right? So this one really simple, looks clean. So you just need to find out the information, like the real website, the contact information, things like that. All right. So let's go to the next. So that's the first way. That's the first way on how you can find, or where you can find leads for ClickFunnels, right? Okay, so this one is interesting. So let's just say that you want to work with those who are using webinar, those who offer high ticket. So you can pull up on demand at gnndi.com/upcoming/all/English, and it will pull up all the webinars, all the upcoming webinars that is hosted in Webinar Jam. So you can try to look for some information regarding that webinar. You can actually subscribe, check if you're sending email sequence, um, check if they're sending notification, how was the webinar presented. You can take a look at different angles and present them something that can improve how they present the webinar, or if they're not sending emails, tell them how important sending email reminders is, especially if it's a live webinar. All right, this is actually pretty good. Let's see. Oh, Funnelytics. Okay, that's good. All right, so this is in, as you can see, you can definitely say that you're using Webinar Jam's registration page. You're using the URL. I can try to register, and there are a couple of ways on how you can watch the webinar without really if it's a recorded webinar, you don't have to watch the entire thing just to look at the representation. You can, especially if it's on YouTube, you can just grab the URL of the video. I'm not going to do that right now, so let's try another one. So let's try this one. So again, guys, you just need to go to this website, ondemand/GENNDI.com upcoming/all/English. Okay, so that's not working. Okay, that's not working either. All right, so this one, this page is, yeah, it's okay. Robin Lee. Let's search for Robin Lee. Divine Feminine. Robin Lee Divine Feminine. Oh. Alright, gotcha. So I think this is her website. What do you guys think? Oh, courses. Robin Lee. I think this is the website. And yeah, you can look at the website, see if there's anything that you can improve, how she can benefit from using funnels and stuff like that. Make sure that you always give value. Make sure that you provide um, things that he can apply instantly, right? Don't just offer your services just like that. Make sure that your prospects understand what you're doing and what you are offering. So that's the other way. So again, if you want to work with those people who, if you're good at setting up webinars, if you're good at working with webinars and stuff like that, this is the way to do it. You can really get clients if you do this right. All right. So there's another way, and the third way on getting clients, or where you can get access to these leads online, is the third way is by using built with. All right, so built with will actually give you an entire list of ClickFunnels users. All right, so if you go to built with, you sign in. There's a free account, but it will not give you a lot of information. But you can start from the free account, right? So you can go to this. You just need to click ClickFunnels, and it will pull up the entire thing. So it will provide you the number of users, total live funnels 18,824. I think that's what that meant. You can download lead list, but I actually have generated a few on here. Alright, so website that were recently added. You can search for the ClickFunnels websites in the top 100k sites, or the top 1,000 sites, sorry. ClickFunnels website that were recently added, and other things, actually. Websites including historical. Alright, so let's check this one out. Oh, it expired. Alright, so as you can see, it pulled up the list of this website that is hosted in ClickFunnels. So we can actually check that there is like emails in here, social media accounts. You can find a lot of information, even the name of the founder, co-founder, address, and a lot of information in here. You can actually utilize this information. Let's say, let's visit the website. By the way, guys, it's not just ClickFunnels. You can actually pull up the website that are built with Pages or WordPress and other softwares. So definitely this is not ClickFunnels, as I can see, right? And yes, they're using WordPress. ClickFunnels. Let's check this one out. Alright, this one. Not entirely ClickFunnels. What's happening? All right, but that's it, guys. So You can utilize built with. You can log into built with. You go to builtwith.com. You can sign up for a free account, and you just need to find out. You pull up the report for the list of websites or funnels that is using Clickfunnels or lead pages or whatever that is that you want to search. But definitely you could do this, and it will give you the information, and then you could just get in touch with the owner. You can get in touch with them through Facebook, through email, if you can get their email or other social media accounts. But that's that, guys. That's it. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you like the video, if you want more of these tutorials and trainings about funnels, ClickFunnels, and all that good stuff for funnel builders, just make sure to click that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget that you are awesome, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next time. Bye.